Good morning, my name is Amalia Ontiveros, and today I will share a recipe to make a salad of elbows. It's very simple. We can consume it in the collation or in the food. We are use countable and uncountable ingredients. So, the countables are a carrot, a pumpkin, and 1 pack of elbows. And the uncountable are water, salt, oil, and mayonnaise. The amount of the recipe is depending on how much salad you will make. The first step is boil water and add a little of salt and a little of oil. We cut a carrot and pumpkin into squares. Then we add the soup of our water. When it's ready, we transfer it to a container and we mix everything. By last, you adding the mayonnaise to taste. And we finish. We are ready to taste.